Hello everyone, DIYer House Husband here again, and then we will now for this video we will now connect our car stereo to our wiring harness. Okay, so by the way, this is the antenna connection, so you might be asking, so this is the wire harness. So since you already know the wire, you just followed its connection from here going out, and then you will now be able to know which pin is the speaker wire, or which pin is the power source. So since we already tackled that one in our second video, the part 2, so I will just be showing you how to install this one. Okay, so you might be confused with this one because I made my wiring harness to have the rear speaker, all of the rear speaker here, and the right speaker here. So the same with this one, of course. Same with this one. Okay. So I did follow still the coding, so that if I will plug this one, so you can see that the ACC, the blue wire here, if you take its pin, it will follow this one, though it's red wire, but I put the connector here, a blue connector, so that I will know that this blue AC is this one, this AC, because if that is red, I might get confused, and I might make this one as the fusible link. Okay, so the red wire with the strips is the fusible link, so that's why I put red here, and then the ground is actually the black. So these are actually the power sources that I'll be using. I will not be using the dimmer because the car stereo does not support dimmer. It has no connection for dimmer. So you can see it here, actually, the connections for the speakers. So this is actually the wiring harness for the speaker. So this one, so I connected it already here. So just follow the color coding, and then this is the power source. Okay, so for the power source, we have two harnesses actually. Where's the this one? Oh, this is the harness for the power supply. So it says here that the ignition is the red. So the red wire here is its ignition, but since my ignition is in blue, so I put blue so that I will not be interchanging it with the fusible link. And then the ground wire is the black. So the black wire, I put the black connection. And then for the antenna, I will not be using the antenna. That's why I just tape the orange wire. So this is actually orange. And the yellow wire is the a power battery, or the fusible link. So it says here power battery or the fusible link. Yeah. Okay. So it's red, so it's color coded, so I will not be mistaken in connecting it. So let's connect our harness. So this is the harness. Okay, so as you can see, I only connected the speaker wires, and then I'll be connecting now my power harness. So the blue is for the blue wire, the blue, yeah. Just put it there, and then just follow. You can make your own method or your own way for you not to mix the wires. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. I have the blue, the red, and then the black, and then I'll just connect this one to my harness, the harness. So be careful, This one is the speaker harness and the other one is the power harness. Okay, so power harness, and then this one. Okay, so let me just connect this one so that it's not loose inside. So this is the antenna. Okay, so I'll just put it here, connect it in the antenna portion of the our car stereo. And then for the installation of the car holder, car stereo holder, this one is different from stereo to stereo, so I'll just test this one, and then it's up to you to put it. So as for me, since I want it detachable, I'll just install it like that. Okay, and let's test if our stereo is okay. So let's switch the car on. Okay, so let's turn on the ignition, and then let's see if it will power. Okay, so yeah, so it's having its tuning. So as you can see, if you can hear it, the speakers are buzzing because I think it has no signal. Okay, so maybe I don't have my phone here, so we cannot try to have the music to check if the speakers are all working, but I think you can do that one on your uh, own. So with that, that's how you install your car stereo. So if you have questions, by the way, you can feel free to leave a comment below, and if you have suggestions, you can comment it also. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our small channel. Thank you for watching.